Who's that happy girl? Let's see it. Twinkle Toes. Who's so light on her feet? Ha ha ha. Who's that happy girl? Loves her bouncy chair. Ah.
Hey. Come on, Bouncy Bob. Bouncy Bob.
Bounce it out, baby. Bounce it out. Oh, I wish we could get that smile behind the star. I wish we could get the smile behind the star. Ha 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 ha.